Now let's see how you can remove the rocker from this engine. So the rocker, so we have here, and if you want to remove it, there's a clip over the tappet head. So it's just clip in. So we can try to remove this rocker. It's just using some paper. Just the pull from this end, there's the clip. So you can see we have this rocker removed, and the bottom is for the valve here, and the clip to the tappet. So this is a tappet. Tappet, there's the oil hole. You can see the oil coming out to this tappet, the crown, and that tappet, there's the whole other side. There's the whole other side here for spray here. You can see, okay, the hole is there for spraying oil to the roller, and camshaft for lubrication. So that's how to remove. To put it back, you just clip it on, because there's a clip. Can you see the clip? Focus. Yeah, there's the clip on this side. You can see there's a wire, steel wire clip. If I can take a picture, maybe I can show it clearly. Okay.